Hello guys, my name is Divyanshi Chaudhary and I am from SDJ International College. My roll number is 027, class SYBCA, Division A, subject data structure, subject code 304, guided by Vimal Vaiwala sir. Today we are going to talk about traversal of tree. First of all, we'll talk about what is tree. So tree in a data structure, tree is a finite set of one or more element such that there is only one specially designed node called root. As we all know, tree is having only one root. Same way, the remaining nodes are partitioned into disjoint set T1, T2 till Tn such that T1 itself is a tree. The set of T1, T2 till Tn is called subtrees of root. You'll came to know very soon that what is T1 and T2. Each element of tree is known as node. A tree with no node is called as empty tree or null tree. A null tree has no root. Now, traversing of binary tree. Firstly, what is T1 and T2? As we all know that a tree is there whose root is T, and T1 and T2 are the subtree of the root. Means they are the small trees, or we can say they are the small parts which together combine whole tree as a T. Processing each node of a tree once is known as tree traversal. There are three traversing methods through which we can make three types of trees, that is pre-order traversing, in-order traversing and post-order traversing. Now firstly, pre-order traversing. Process the root, traverse the left tree of T in pre-order and traverse the right subtree of T in pre-order. In this technique, first of all, we process the root of binary tree T. Then we traverse the left subtree T1 in pre-order, which means that we traverse root of the subtree T1 and then the left subtree. Now I'll show you. Here you can see there is a diagram of pre-order where A is the root, B is the left subtree and C is the right subtree. As you can see, here we have done the pre-order tree. Now, as it was written, first we are going to process the root, then left and then right. So here the root is A, so first A will come, then the left subtree, that is B, will come, then D, the left subtree, the left side tree is over. Now we'll proceed with the right one, that is the left of right, which means A, B, D, then E will come, and then again root will come. Why? Because pre-order traverse in root, left and right order. Same way we are going to do the whole traversing. In order tree, traverse the left subtree of T in order left, process the root, traverse the left subtree of T in order right. In order traversing technique, first of all, we'll process the left subtree T1 of the root T in order, then we process the root T, and at the last we process the right subtree T2 of T. So you can see that the figure is being given, and you can see that B is at the left and D is the terminal node. Okay, so what we are going to do in this figure is left, root, right. This is the process which we are going to follow. So left one is the D. D is the leaf node of the left subtree. So we'll proceed with the left one. So D, B, E, that is D is the left, B is the root and E is the right. So D, B, E, A, that is left subtree has been completed. So we'll proceed with the root and then with the right subtree. So D, B, E, A is the root. Then again left side of the right subtree, that is F, C, G, means left, root, right. So I hope you have understood in order tree also. Now we'll proceed with the last one, that is post order. Traverse the left subtree of R in pre-order, traverse the right subtree of T in pre-order and process the root. In this technique, first we are going to make left terminal node as our first element, and then we'll proceed with the right node and then the root. In short, first we'll start with the left terminal node of left subtree T1. Now we can see that here we are going to follow is left, right, root. Means what we are going to do is left side tree, that is left subtree with the left terminal node and then right terminal node and then root. So now what we are going to do is D, E, B, means D is left terminal node, E is right terminal node of left side. So D, E, B. Then what we are going to do is F, G, C, and then root. Why? Because left, right, root. So first we will complete left subtree, then right subtree, and then root. So the process will come D, E, B, F, G, C, and E. So I hope you understood all the ways of traversing a tree. So thank you.